Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. Today's video is very interesting and especially for those content creators who want to create content using AI tools, especially Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos as well. Especially those people who are interested in creating content like ASMR videos or the satisfying videos created using different AI tools. You might have seen these kinds of videos on YouTube, Instagram, and some other social media platform. But the idea behind this is very simple. It's not very complicated to create such kind of videos. So today I'm going to guide you to the complete process that how you can create these kinds of videos yourself. So let's go to the screen and see how it will work. So firstly you have to find the specific niche that you are going to target to create such kind of videos. So I will go to ChatGPT and we will search for some ideas. So firstly we have to identify target that we what kind of videos we are going to create. So let's log into the chat gpt account. Okay, so we are into this account and let's search for specific niche. So I will start with the prompt. I want to create satisfying ASMR videos using Google um, Flow AI tool. Please suggest me some niche for such kind of videos. So it will give us some ideas. So related to different AI videos that you might have seen on different YouTube channels or Instagram reels as well. So these are some of the ideas: kinetic solid materials, tiny miniature food factory, and glass art, molten objects. This is also very common and very uh, trending nowadays. Then hydraulic press, you might have seen these videos are also very famous. Now let's move towards the specific niche. So let's try this one: crystal and gem cutting. So these are some of the ideas. So let's pick this idea. I will pick this one from here, pick this, and I like this niche. Now give me 5 prompts to create Instagram. Here you can mention your specific uh, social media platform that you are going to target. Instagram Reels using Google Flow tool. So let's use this one. Hit enter and it will give us some prompts that we are going to use. So first one is, we got this prompt. Let's copy this and now let's go back to your Google Flow tool. You must have a pro subscription for this. I already have my subscription, and using this I'm going to create some videos. So let's use this. Okay, so we are going to, firstly you are going to select some options here. So go to video frames, and it should be uh, portrait mode. Try to use light video light option here, because it is going to use less credits. If you are going to use other models, it is going to consume many credits, so that will be a problematic for you. So we are going to give this command here and hit enter button. It will start making video for you. Just wait for some uh, I think seconds, and it is going to create a video for us that we can use, and we can post and get views on that. So many content creators are using this strategy to create content and upload on different social media channels, and they are also getting a lot of views. So this is especially for those who want to get into AI content and want to create their own videos. So meanwhile I will copy the second command. We will not give this command right now because the model is already working. So the command was ultra realistic macro cinematic ASMR video. A flawless rainbow crystal cube sits on a polished black obstacle table. So it's complete video for us. The duration might be less, so you can see here it's a very detailed video. If I zoom in, if I play it again, and you can now use this. Even you can also edit this, you can add more content into this, add different layers, you can also add text. So this is up to you. And now this is ready to be uploaded. Again you can paste the second one. Let me do the second one as well and paste it here, and you can see it is again processing, and you can also create many videos at a time. So for one video it is consuming 10 credits. For pro account you will be having 1000 credits. So it means you can create 100 videos using this model, using this strategy. You can also create your own characters to use in your videos. This is a very interesting you can say feature in this Google Flow tool, that you can create your own character. This is good for those who want to create a series of videos. You might have seen some videos which are based on different stories. So for those kinds of videos you have to keep the characters same, so you can use this. Now this video is already created, and you can see this one is also very interesting, and you can also edit this later as well. So this is how you can create AI content, viral content, ASMR videos using Google Flow. So you can download, you can give the prompt. So first you have to give the prompt, get the prompts for your videos, then just copy and paste, and you will be getting your videos within seconds. I hope you like this video and you like the idea. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this. See you in next video.